smell. No. Let's just go. My eggs. Scoot the QR code. Come on, let's go.
Where'd you put that milk?
Here you go. What are these visitors doing here? I don't know. Come on, let's go. Boom. Alright. So, everything sure. Do. Oh, you might be. I'm feeling like I'm having a control stuff. For me. I figured that we use the 10 on fence. Nah. It just sense. I'm really walking in period. Blah blah. Like being hi. I hugged over there. Huh? What do you realize that? Baby, the question. You're almost. I'm not almost. What do you need? So freaking alligator. There. Papa, you don't have me.
The Bionic Woman, for sure. Lindsay
Huh?
taught me, even though it was fake, that I could jump to any height that I needed to jump.
Blah.
And then Andy-Griffith, of course, Opie, and off the fan. Good old-fashioned.
So yummy.
And then we have Bonanza. And I can't leave out the $600 man, because he matches Lindsay.
Birdie is so disgusting. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No. Too much for me. So I did the fried chicken wings are here. No, they're not. They're tenders. That dumb. Shut up. Food like I'm having a appetizer. I didn't take it from down the hill. Dijon. That's that. But freaking that. Alright, we go. We'll defeat fried chicken here. Bring me the fried chicken. Freaking. Hey, what's that sound? Forgot that. I will be gone with you. Whoa. This is not go. I'm not go. No. The deep. The chicken's ready. The chicken's ready. The chicken. You don't. Did he just learn a new country? No. I will like it to taste it. Taste it. tasty food. Tasty food. Tasty food. Tasty food. Here we go again. Nothing is tasty like that.
Right.
Yeah.
They're just waiting for us.
Yummy. This is the best chicken ever in my life. That chicken is so good. Briefly, I think I'll just eat the rest. Just pay you later. It's my chicken now.